collection of press-on nails that you will be able to purchase on my site, Luxe Elite Nails, Hair Extension, and Lashes. Coming back to you very soon. Now, these are actual press-on nail kits. It comes with, y'all look, this is cute. And it's in my favorite color, pink. Okay, you have the nail filer, the applicator, and you also have the adhesive for the nails, okay? Now, I will also be purchasing nail glue. The nail glue is going to give it that extra hold, okay? Because I don't want y'all nails popping off. I haven't had a nail popped off in 30 years, okay? So I do not want y'all to have nails popping off. So I will be purchasing some nail glue. Now I have, these are the French tips, okay? We have the French tips. We have the black and white. Y'all, that black and white is everything. That black and white is everything. I think I'm going to try this black and white on myself, and I'm going to show you all how it looks. Yes, that's just what I'm going to do. And we have the pink and white with designs. Okay, pink and white with designs. I have at least 4 of these, okay? And we have the stiletto type nail, okay? And these colors, these are rainbow nails. You have yellow, orange, and pink, okay? That's stiletto. So we have 3 of those, okay? And then we also have the same design, but it has a square tip. It's a long nail with a square tip, okay? So we have 1 of these with the square tip and 3 of the stiletto. And of the pink and white with design, we have 4. With the black and white, we have 3. And with the French tips, we have 4, okay, that we will have on our site very, very soon, okay? So thank y'all for tuning in to my video, watching my collection of press-on nails that will be soon available for purchase on my site. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos by Chick Babes, Luxe Babes, and Fur Babies. And if you are not a Chick Babe, Luxe Babe, or Fur Baby, what are you waiting for? Y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and share. Bye, babes.